Who doesn't love some metal? When it comes to premium Japanese kitchen knives, one of the most important decisions you can make is whether to go for non-stainless high-carbon blade or a stainless premium alloy such as VG10 or AUS10. Non-stainless Japanese knives forged with simple carbon-rich steel and iron can achieve incredible levels up to 63 to 65 on the Rockwell scale. This allows them to take incredibly sharp edges with amazing cutting performance. However, these traditional carbon steels are highly reactive and will easily stain, pit and dull if not carefully maintained and dried and polished after each use. This is what happened when I left it wet for 2 minutes. On the other hand, premium stainless versions like our Sakai Cuba line or Seki Cuba and Seki Cuba Pro can still achieve razor-sharp edges that outperform Western knives, but their high chromium content provides superior stain and corrosion resistance. While they are not quite as sharp initially, their edges hold incredibly well with basic honing on whetstone. Our Sakai Cuba and Seki Cuba knives strike a perfect balance between the two. No matter which you choose, you're getting elite, handcrafted Japanese performance.